Do your soaps burn more than they heal? You're not alone. Most commercial soaps are secretly triggering flare-ups of eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. But today, we flip the script. Let's explore the top natural healing soaps backed by skin science, not marketing. Stay till the end, your skin will thank you. Skin. Hello and welcome to Global Health Herald. If you're tired of red, itchy, flaky skin, and you've tried everything from steroids to expensive creams, this video is your turning point. We're breaking down the 10 best natural soaps for eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Let's dive into healing, naturally. 1. Dead Sea Mud Soap. Dead Sea Mud is loaded with magnesium, calcium, potassium, and zinc. These minerals detoxify the skin, soothe inflammation, and promote natural healing. It is best for severe psoriasis and long-term dermatitis. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and follow with a natural moisturizer to lock in minerals. 2. Goat Milk Soap. Goat milk soap is rich in lactic acid, fatty acids, and vitamin A. Goat milk helps remove dead skin and supports regeneration. It also strengthens the skin barrier. It is best for eczema, especially in children and people with dry patches. Combine it with unscented shea butter lotion for maximum hydration. 3. Neem Soap. Neem oil is a skin superfood. It fights bacteria, fungi, and inflammation, perfect for flare-up zones and infection-prone skin. It is best for inflamed dermatitis or infected eczema. Look for soaps that contain cold-pressed neem oil, not just neem extract. 4. Oatmeal Soap. Colloidal oatmeal binds to your skin and calms it. It creates a barrier that locks in moisture and relieves itchiness. It is best for chronic eczema and sensitive winter skin. Apply an oat-based moisturizer after washing to double the effect. 5. African Black Soap. Handcrafted from cocoa pod ash and plantain peel, this soap is rich in iron and vitamins A and E, great for detoxifying and reducing inflammation. It is best for oily skin types and scalp psoriasis. Lather it in your hands first. Never rub it directly on irritated skin. 6. Tea Tree Oil Soap. Tea tree is nature's antiseptic. It kills bacteria, reduces redness, and prevents fungal buildup. It is best for seborrheic dermatitis, especially on the scalp and beard area. Avoid overuse. It's powerful. Use only 2 to 3 times a week unless prescribed. 7. Aloe Vera Soap. Aloe contains enzymes, vitamin C and E, and polysaccharides that promote healing, hydration, and cooling. It is best for red, inflamed eczema, and skin exposed to heat or sun. Store aloe soaps in the fridge during summer. It enhances the cooling effect. 8. Calendula Soap. Calendula is antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and rich in flavonoids. It stimulates collagen and speeds up tissue repair. It is best for cracked, bleeding, or overly sensitive dermatitis patches. Pair with calendula balm at night for overnight repair. 9. Honey and Shea Butter Soap. Raw honey seals in moisture and kills microbes, while shea butter delivers vitamins and lipids that rebuild the skin barrier. It is best for peeling, flaky, or tight skin caused by psoriasis or eczema. Avoid commercial versions with added fragrance. Raw, unrefined ingredients are key. 10. Castile Soap, unscented. Castile soap is made from olive oil, no SLS, parabens, or sulfates. It's one of the gentlest soaps you can use on broken or reactive skin. It is best for all skin types, especially if you're allergic to most soaps. Always go for unscented. Even essential oils can irritate compromised skin. Bonus tips. Avoid these ingredients: sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, fragrance, parfum, artificial colors, alcohol, methylisothiazolinone, preservative linked to dermatitis. Limit soap use to once daily. More isn't better for damaged skin. How to use soap the healing way. Wash with lukewarm water only. Hot water strips natural oils. Gently pat dry with a soft towel. Apply a natural moisturizer, shea, jojoba, or squalane, within 2 minutes of bathing. Limit soap use to once daily. more isn't better for damaged skin. Natural healing combinations. Pairing matters. Here are some healing duos you can try. Goat milk soap plus colloidal oat cream, steroid hydration plus anti-itch. Neem soap plus calendula balm, lastly infection control plus skin repair. Aloe soap plus squalane oil, cooling plus barrier restoration. You deserve skin that feels calm, soothed, and healthy, not dry, cracked, or inflamed. Healing your skin starts with what you put on it, and soap is your first line of defense. Nature has given us powerful, gentle tools. You just have to know where to look.